Hi, in this short tutorial, we're going to talk about using the Notes tab. So here with the three ellipses, just open it up to the navigation options, go to Notes, and notice we have a group called New. We have a delete group, we have a current view group, we have actions, tags, and find. So I'm going to create a new note right now. This one is recall. Oh, that's my note. And I'm just going to close this. Then I'm going to create another note. This one here, we can delete if we wanted. We can also add a color to it. In this case, I'm just not going to put a short key, but I'm going to put it as orange. This is our icons here. What it looks like, we can change the view. So this is our notes list. Last 7 days, what we saw. Can move them to the inbox, or we can forward them as a part of the email, and that is how you take care of notes. Very simple. Notes are very simple. Once you have completed the note, you can just go in and right click and delete, or you can go up here and delete. Here you see you can send and receive. You can put them in a folder, create a new folder to put them into on the main screen. You can copy it, you can share your notes. Again, if you hit share and you put in who it's going to, that would also be a way to get that out to them. And we looked at the view. We can change the view how it comes up on our screen. We can have it as normal, and then it just lists any other options that you have there. All right, we can also add a reminder to this note to show, like, if you wanted to use it for another purpose. And that's it for our short video on notes.